Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something seriously cool to dive into, chatting secretly with Termux. If you're into privacy, security, or just love the thrill of tech mysteries, you're in the right place. Whether you want to chat privately with your friends, keep family conversations discreet, or connect with other Linux users on a whole new level, you're in for a treat. Termux, our secret tool, is an Android terminal emulator that's about to change the game to your anonymous conversation. Stick around until the end, because I've got a gem of information waiting for you. Before we begin today's tutorial, I've hidden a special message in our Termux-created secret chat channel. Discover it, drop it in the comments, and let's put your Linux skills to the test. Want more similar tech tutorials? Fantastic! Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay in the loop. Now let's get started. Download Termux. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store and download Termux, a powerful terminal on your Android device. Update the terminal. Now, let's ensure our terminal is up to date. Type pkg update and hit enter. This fetches the latest package information for Termux. Upgrade packages. Time to upgrade our packages. Type pkg upgrade and press enter. Be patient. This process might take some time as it upgrades all Termux packages to the latest versions. While we are still setting up our Termux, waiting for the upgrade to complete, this is the best time to like the video. It goes a long way. Thank you. Install Weechat. Let's bring Weechat into the mix. Type pkg install Weechat and hit enter. This will install the Weechat package on your Termux terminal. Launch Weechat. Now that Weechat is in, fire it up by typing Weechat and pressing enter. Get ready to explore the Termux chat interface. Add a server. With Weechat successfully installed, it's time to add a server. Type the command displayed on your screen with your server name and press enter. This step connects you to the world of seamless chat experiences. Connect to the server. Once the server is added, the next step is to connect. Simply type connect, followed by your server name, and press enter. Congratulations, you're now connected to the server. Set a display name. Now that you're in, it's time to set a display name. Type the command displayed on your screen, add your display name, and press enter. This helps personalize your presence in the chat. Type list to display all the channels on the Freenode server. A variety of options are available on the Freenode server. To join a channel, copy the channel name with the hashtag and type join followed by the channel name. Voila, you've successfully joined the channel. Copy channel names from the list, use the join command, and paste the name in your terminal. You can join as many channels as you want. Remember, active members are in white, while inactive ones appear in gray. Now that you're in the group, start typing your messages. I just sent a hi. Your messages will be visible to all channel members, and you can engage in conversations effortlessly. Now let's see how you can create your own Termux chat channel. Click on the server on the top left. You can always switch back. Now type join, followed by your preferred channel name. If it doesn't exist, it will be created. Now it shows Techie joined, and also displays the total members in the channel. Now let's see how we can chat with our friends and family anonymously in our new chat. I will create a second session to demonstrate how to chat secretly with anyone in Termux. Now that I have 2 sessions of Weechat, I will rename them to User 1 and Friends Terminal for easy navigation. So now your partner has to set up a server. Once the server is up, proceed to connecting to the server. Connection successful. Now request for the chat name from the other partner. I will just copy it from the other session. Type the join command and paste the channel name and hit enter. Now I will proceed with the display name. Great. As you can see now, there are 2 members in the channel, only you and the one you invited can message. Now let's send a simple message and see what happens. Moving to the other session, the message has been successfully sent and received anonymously. From here, the power is now in your hands. You can share, discuss, or talk about anything without worrying about being traced, as conversations on the free node are completely anonymous. Except, you display your real name. Imagine the knowledge, the skills, the tech secrets we'll unlock together. Consider this. A subscription is a small click for you, yet a significant stride to let us know, hey, I want more content like this. Like and subscribe to stay in the loop. Now let's create a secret chat on the server. So to do this, just click on the server name. Now use the join command and type your secret chat ID beginning with a hashtag. If it doesn't already exist, it will be created. As you can see, it matches my current time. Now you can copy and share this chat. I will use the join command. Paste the chat name and press enter. Now you and anyone can chat right from your Termux terminal. One more thing. You realize the usernames can be used by anyone once you exit the terminal. If you want a permanent username, then you can register for it using the command shown on the screen. Simply follow the steps, add a password required to log in, and also a valid email address. You will need it to verify your account. This, however, is not recommended if you want to be completely anonymous, but is great to save you your unique name. Once you press enter, an email will be sent to the mail with instructions. Click and open the email to see the next step. You will be given a command with an authentication token. Simply copy and paste it in the terminal, and you are done. That's not all. The whole process of using Weechat must be repeated every time you want to chat secretly with Termux. However, there's a fix, as we can automate the process. We can automatically connect to a server whenever we start Weechat, as well as join a channel automatically. This way, we don't have to retype commands, just straight to chat. To do this, simply type the command on the screen and press enter to turn on Auto Connect. This will connect you to the same server every time. Now type the command on your screen if you want to automatically join a specific group chat, as shown. This will ensure that once you type Weechat in the Termux terminal, you are directed straight to the chat. To find a list of channels, type the command list. To leave a channel, simply type /leave and you will be exited. Finally, to end the Weechat session and return to your terminal, type exit. This will close Weechat and return to the home directory. You can relaunch Weechat anytime by typing the command Weechat. And that's how to chat with anyone secretly using Termux. And if you're feeling generous with that support, why not share this video with your tech-savvy friends, fellow Termux users, or anyone who's on the quest to explore the Linux environment? Sharing is caring, and you might just be the tech guru someone's been waiting for. Here's a small yet powerful request. Consider hitting that subscribe button. It's not just a click. It's your way of saying, "This was awesome." Your support fuels our passion for delivering more tech tips and tech tutorials, so join our community, like, subscribe, and share. Signing off for now, but we'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay awesome.